Hello children, welcome to your maths class. You all know that you have a math lab activity period, and in today's video lesson we are going to perform one activity that is from chapter 3 of your NCERT textbook, which is Understanding Quadrilaterals. Before performing the activity, let us recall certain properties we have learned from this chapter. I guess you all remember the angle sum property we have discussed. According to angle sum property, the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. First is the aim. The activity which we are going to prove will be our aim. That is to verify the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Next, to perform an activity, you know that we require certain materials. And for this activity, we need a plain drawing sheet, a pencil, ruler, scissors, compass, color pencils or sketches, glue, fevicol or any other material. Children, we do not insist you to have all these, but to perform this activity, you should have some basic materials with you to do during your summer break. So first, we will draw a quadrilateral on a plain sheet and name it. As we are dealing with the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals, a quadrilateral is our prime figure. Now, according to our aim, we are measuring the interior angles of a quadrilateral. That's why on the quadrilateral you have drawn, you will draw an arc of equal measurements at each vertex so that you can easily fit these angles on a circle to prove that it is a 360 degree measurement. Now you will take a circle on another plane sheet because as you all know that a circle completes the 360 degree angle, we will use this circle to prove that the sum of the measure of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Let us now watch how to do this activity. So children, let us do an activity to prove that the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. For that, take a plain paper. Now, draw a quadrilateral of any shape and name it. Take a compass, draw an arc from each vertex of equal measurement. Now color each angle with different colors and name them as they are named at the vertex. Cut each angle of the quadrilateral as shown. Now take another plain sheet and draw a circle of same radius used to draw the arcs on the quadrilateral. Place each angle you have cut on the circle drawn. As you already know, a circle is completely 360 degrees. Here, all the four arcs join together to form a 360 degree angle. Hence we prove that sum of the measure of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. So children, I hope you have watched the video and understood how to do this activity. It is a very simple activity, children. Let us further proceed what and how to do this activity. So here our aim is sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. As you have seen in the video, we have named the interior angles and we can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. We have proved that by cutting those angles and placing them on a circle. Here at the center you can see that the vertices come and join together at the center and form a circle, that is 360 degrees. Children, the video which you have seen to perform this activity is one method to prove the aim. There is another method, this is method 2, and for that also you need a quadrilateral. You will draw a quadrilateral and you will name it. Now in the quadrilateral you have drawn, you will draw a diagonal. After drawing the diagonal, you will mark all the interior angles. Now you can observe that after drawing the diagonal, we see two triangles have been constructed inside the quadrilateral. As you already have the knowledge that the sum of the measure of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, two triangles together form 360 degrees because 180 degrees plus 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So this is another method to prove this theorem, that sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. But for our MATLAB activity, we will consider method 1. Let us now discuss how we are going to write about the activity which we have done in our activity book. First, you will write the aim, that is to verify the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. And then you will write all the materials required. We have taken a plain drawing sheet, pencil, ruler, scissors, compass, color pencils or sketch pens, glue, fevicol or any adhesive material. And then you will write the prerequisite knowledge. That means to prove the aim, we should already have the knowledge that a complete circle will form 360 degrees. That we will write here. Coming to the theory. The basic definition of quadrilateral you will write and then you will draw a quadrilateral and name it. That will be the theory of this activity. Now you will write the procedure. In the procedure, you will write all the steps you have done during performing this activity. The first, we will just go briefly and understand the procedure. First, we take a plain drawing sheet. We draw a quadrilateral of any shape and we will name it. Now we will mark its interior angles by using a compass, and the arcs should be of equal size because they will help us to place them on the circle perfectly. Now we color each interior part of that arc. Now we will cut all these angles using scissors. Now you will place the sectors because after cutting these angles, they seem like sectors. So now you will place these sectors in a circle which is drawn in another sheet. Not only just writing this procedure, children, you will stick all the steps on one sheet like I have done. Here on a single sheet, I have stick the pictures of all the steps I have done during this activity. Here you can see that in step 1 I have drawn a quadrilateral. I have cut it and stick it here in step 1. And in step 2 I have drawn the interior angles. Yes, the arcs of equal measurement. That will be step 2. And step 3, we will color these angles and we will name them. In step 4, we will cut these angles. They will be the cut pieces. Yes. And in step 5, on another plain sheet, we have drawn a circle. And in step 6, we have stick all these cut pieces or the cut angles and stick them on the circle to completely form a 360-degree angle to prove the aim. So by understanding this activity, what is the observation we have done? The observation means what we have observed after performing this activity is that all the 4 interior angles of a quadrilateral fit to form a circular shape that is equal to 360 degrees. Now you will write the result. The result will be, hence prove that sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Children, you will write all this procedure observation result on your ruled side and the cut pictures will be stuck on the white side of your activity book. For your summer break, this will be one of your holidays homework, and along with this activity, you will also do the assignments which will be given to you. Thank you, children.